Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in Mafia The Old Country game. So here follow the fixes. Fix 1. Steps to fix the sound problem in Mafia The Old Country is: on your PC, click on Windows icon and then click on Settings icon. Click on System, Sound, Advanced and then More Sound Settings. Click your default device, for example speakers, and select Properties. Then go to Spatial Sound tab, click the drop down box and select Off. Then click on Apply and then OK. If Spatial Sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones instead. Then go to Enhancement tab, check mark Loudness Equalization and then click on Apply and then OK. Now launch Mafia The Old Country game and check. Now if you are using Bluetooth headphones, then right click on the Bluetooth icon in the system tray. Select Show Bluetooth Devices, scroll to the bottom and select More Devices and Printer Settings. Right click your headphones and select Properties. Now go to Services tab, uncheck Hands-Free Telephony, Remote Control and Remotely Controllable Device. Click Apply. Now check if it solves your issue or not. Third solution is to make sure your sound level in game is set to 100%. Look for the audio setting within the Mafia The Old Country game menu and ensure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, you may like to try using a speaker to see if any sounds play. Fourth solution is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripheral. So disconnect any peripheral devices such as USB devices, camera, phone, additional controller which are not necessary, and then launch the game and check. Fifth solution is to set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Then select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test for the improvement. So by this way you can fix the sound or audio issues in Mafia The Old Country game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please share this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.